Good morning, everyone. My name is Gaurav Sud. I am pursuing my BTech from Thapar University. I am a computer science student and I am here to tell you about my project Network Design Proposal for CDAC. First, let me explain what is it about. It is a simulation of network design proposal. Well, it is used for simulate the installing, operating, and troubleshooting the system network before we set in real world. Okay, I do the simulation in the software Cisco Packet Tracer. It is the student version of the software. As you see, let me tell you what it is. This is a router. This is switch. This also switch, but this is a multi-layer switch. There are two type of switches, uh, two layer and three layer. This is a three-layer switch. It can also work as router. This is the systems which we had here. In this case, we have some less systems in from real scenario, but we can add more systems in it. So let me talk you about how it is worked. When uh, let me uh, tell you one thing. Okay, let me say, if we want to contact this PC from this PC, how can we gonna do this? First of all, we have to know the IP address of this PC. And how we gonna know IP address? Here it is, 192.168.2.2. So I will go to this computer command prompt and I will ping to whom 6.2 2.2, and I will press enter. As you see, it is replying to this uh, communication. So the and communication is established between this to this. Okay. Now let me tell you the scenario. What is the scenario of this uh, design? This scenario is simple. Let say this is the north side of the building and this is the south side of the building, and it is a land setup of the building. So we have to contact from a PC to PC, and we have to send data from one PC to another. So let's see, if I want to send a data from this PC to this PC, first I am gonna see what is IP address. Its IP address is 5.2. Okay, then I will go to this PC, command prompt ping 192.168.5.2 and enter. As you see, it start replying. As you see, first of all, it take time much higher, because when the connection is established, the first packet which is sent to in the network is take more time, because it's gonna uh, take number of possible paths, or I can say it's gonna find a best way to send this packet from one computer to another. Okay, now let me talk you about servers. This is the internet uh, provider, and this is the servers which we have through internet provider. Okay, let me first tell you that about DHCP server. It is also part of institute DHCP server. We go on DHCP server and then DHCP. We type here, as we see an example. We type here pool name. What is the name of your pool in which he have to pick an address. Now we have to uh, enter the gateway, default gateway of VLAN. Let we say VLAN 1. You have to enter the IP address and subnet mask and number of maximum number of users. and when you enter and add it, you will see you have to go to this PC. That if I click on DHCP, it will fetch an IP uh, and default gateway from the DHCP server. Now let me talk you about mail server. Mail server is used for mailing purposes. Like we use Gmail. Okay, we will go to email. Here we are gonna set a domain name like soothe.com or maybe gmail.com or maybe yahoo.com, like this. And here we gonna type an username. Let's say my username is Gaurav15 and my password is soothe. And if I add this to this, it means I added a Gmail. I added a email ID which name is Gaurav and password is Soothe. So I am going to this PC to configure my email. I will go your name. So what you gonna enter? Gaurav 15. Email address, your full email address, Gaurav 15 at the rate what? Soothe.com, which we use in their domain name. Okay, mail server. We have to provide the public IP of this internet. And what is it? The public IP of internet is 50.0.0.1 and outgoing mail server ID is same. Now username. What is my username? Gaurav 15. And what is my password? My password is Soothe. And gonna save it. Now I have to compose my mail. Uh, I click on composing and you see this PC. I already configured it with my other ID which has configuration as jazz@gmail.com. I'm gonna slightly change it. It will say soothe.com jazz and I put password. I'm gonna save it. Save. Now I want to send a mail from this ID to that ID. So what I gonna write? jazz@soothe.com subject, or we can write anything which we want and then click on send. As you say, it's sent success. It's a success status. It will send to the web server. Now from web server we have to fetch it. Mail server we have to fetch it. So we say receive. Now you can see it's received to this particular PC. Well done. Now I'm going to about web server. Web server is uh, a server by which we use web, and DNS server is used to provide a name to an IP address, or as we type google.com we see Google's windows. And but what is it? It called the IP of google.com. www.google.com is a domain host name uh, which uh, technically shows the IP. Now let me give you this uh, web browser. If we write 50.0.0.1, what is gonna do? It's gonna see upon Cisco packet tracer. And how it open this page? In web server we have index file. We can edit it. It gonna see what we want to see. Let's see. We write hello everyone. Okay, then we save it. Yes. Okay, now we again gonna uh, it will provide it the IP addresses. Now we if we write www.google.com, it's again, let's yes shows hello everyone, and if we put the IP address, okay, IP address, it's gonna same thing, means we provide a name to this IP by the help of DNS server. And how we reaching this page, it we are reaching this page from the help of our web server. Thank you for listening. That's all which I'm going to give you about this presentation. And if you have any doubt, please comment on this video and ask me about it. Thank you.